What's going on, guys? UT21 here. So today we're back with another unboxing video. So today we're just going to go back to my bare roots and do a simple 5-pack review. So the 5-pack we'll be looking at today is the Hot Wheels 2018 HW Exotics 5-pack. Now I got this 5-pack at one of my local Krogers. Surprisingly, it's my typical Kroger's I go to down the street for me. For some odd reason, they haven't restocked the singles in like a couple months, and I was about to walk away when I happened to see this 5-pack under the corner of my eye, so thought I might as well pick it up. So with that said, let's go to the cars of the HW Exotics 5-pack. So the 5-pack includes the Jaguar XJ220, McLaren F1 GT-R. It's the new casting with the metal spoiler on the back. The Aston Martin DBS, Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, and the Renault Sport R.S. So with that said, let's take a look at the package. So we have Hot Wheels, 50 years, HW Exotics, ages 3 and up. On the side, it says HW Exotics, with the HW Exotics logo. On the other side, we kind of have a bit of the Sesto Elemento going across there. In the back, Hot Wheels, HW Exotics. The Sesto Elemento, yet again, it's in a open road background. Great place to take the car out for a joyride. Exotic supercars, always ready to race. So I mentioned the HW Exotics 5-pack includes the Jaguar XJ220, McLaren F1 GT-R, Aston Martin DBS, Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, Renault Sport R.S. And yeah, copyright 2017 Mattel, probably made in Malaysia. So, copyright for like Jaguar, McLaren, Lamborghini, Aston, and Renault. So that is it for the package of the HW Exotics 5-pack. So let's open it up. So let's take a look at the first car in the 5-pack, the Jaguar XJ220. I have to admit, this is probably one of my all-time favorite cars in the 5-pack. Well, with that said, let's take a look at it. So it's a really nice green color. Kind of reminds me of the traditional paint-colored British racing green. Really like it. Hot Wheels 1992 Mattel, made in Indonesia. That's weird. Let's take a look at this F1 right here. Made in Indonesia. That must be new for cars. Never seen cars made in Indonesia. That's how you pronounce it. 1992 Mattel. Fun fact, I actually have the very first release of the XJ220, the silver one with the classic style rims, from 1993. Anyway, we have PR5s. I really like this Jaguar graphic on the side, looks really cool. Hot Wheels. Have an intake on the side there, Jaguar. Nothing much in the bonnet, there's a little hint there. I've always really liked the XJ220's pop-up headlights. Looks so cool. Nice grille and a little small air dam. Indicators on the side. By the way, I do want to apologize. Sorry if I kind of shiver a little bit. It's like freezing out here in the garage. So, but sometime I will start doing unboxing videos in my house soon. So, do want to apologize about that. In the back, you have the spoiler, though you can't really see through it. Those holes right there is where the spoiler would kind of be seen through in the real car, providing more aerodynamics. Otherwise, not much in the back. I don't know where the exhaust is in this car. There's no exhaust or anything. I think the taillights are somewhere back there in these, in this big grille. Otherwise, interior, it's right-hand drive. See the massive engine in the back. Otherwise, interior looks pretty detailed. We also have the fuel filler door right here. that is it for the Jaguar XJ220. So let's go on to the next car, the McLaren F1 GT-R. So let's take a look at it. We have these 10-spoke rims in red chrome. Red plastic base, made in Indonesia. Copyright 2017 Mattel. Since this metal spoiler is a casting change. Otherwise we have some intakes on the side there. Bonnet, Hot Wheels, McLaren, number 1 GT-R. Headlights are detailed. This is McLaren right there. Indicators. Some intakes. Nice front splitter. Same as the other side. Back we have the metal spoiler. Taillights and some more vents. Quad exhaust. It says F1 on the roof. They have an intake up there. And a nice stripe going across the back there. Of course, the driving position is in the middle. Has one seat in the middle and kind of two small seats near the back. Always thought that was really cool with the F1. Interior-wise, it looks pretty detailed. But that is all for the McLaren F1. So let's go on to the next car. I have to admit, even compared to the XJ220, this is probably my favorite car of the 5-pack, the Aston Martin DBS. My inner Doug DeMuro kicks in because I love Aston Martins. So let's take a look at it. So nice 5-spoke rims with a red chrome outline. Plastic base, made in Indonesia. Cause I've never seen that in cars before. That must be new. So it's Gen 10 Mattel is made. Otherwise, really nice blue color. Really like it. It's a dark metallic blue. Have a small intake going across there. On the bonnet, we have some intakes and some stripes too. Aston Martin logo. Headlights are detailed. Nice big traditional Aston Martin grille in the front. And a nice open air dam. Same as the other side. In the back here we have a fuel filler door. It says Hot Wheels on the boot lid. Rear spoiler in the back. Tail lights are not detailed. License plate right there. Dual exhaust. The interior is red. I don't really like that, but still it's right-hand drive. And it looks pretty detailed in there. Otherwise, we do have a stripe going across the roof too. But that is all for the Aston Martin DBS. So let's go on to the next car. The Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Well, that's how, let's take a look at it. So these nice 5-spoke rims, they are black. Do not have any chrome on them. Plastic base, made in Indonesia. 2013 Mattel. Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Like this matte gold. Otherwise, we have an intake going across the side there. Some details on the bonnet. Some stripes. I don't know if those are. I think those might be intakes. I don't know. Pretty sure the Sesto Elemento is Huracan based. Headlights are detailed. Lamborghini logo. Some vents in the front. Lamborghini's main goal with the Sesto Elemento was to make a really lightweight car, and they did. Pretty sure the windscreen was actually plastic. Otherwise, I think those are vents on the back. Spoiler with Hot Wheels on it. Otherwise, exhaust and taillights are not detailed. No license plate. I don't think this thing is road legal anyway. I can't tell which side it's the steering wheel's on. Oh, never mind. I found it. It's on the right side. The interior looks pretty detailed. That is it for the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. So let's go on to the next and last car. The Renault Sport R.S. 1. So let's take a look at it. So we have these nice 5-spoke rims and a yellow outline. Plastic base, made in Indonesia. 250 Mattel Renault Sport R.S. I really like this kind of metallic orange color. It looks really nice. Otherwise it says 1 on the intake. HW graphics. Nice yellow stripe going across there. RS1 and Hot Wheels. Intakes going across the bonnet. Headlights are not detailed. Don't really like that. There's the Renault logo. It's going across the side there. Same as the other side. Except I did notice there's a little intake going across there. Nice big spoiler in the back. It says Renault and printed in the metal. It says Renault Sport on the side. Taillights are not detailed, unfortunately. But we do have some nice dual exhaust outlets. Otherwise, I think the window's kind of tinted blue. I don't really like that. Otherwise, interior looks pretty detailed. Can't really see inside there too much, but guess we'll have to deal with it that way. And that's all for the Renault Sport RS1. Well guys, that is all for today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my channel. Be sure to also follow me on Drive Tribe, Twitter, and Instagram. But that is all for today's video, guys, and goodbye.